Crash Course on Alaska, USA. Welcome to a crash course on Alaska, a land of stunning wilderness, rich history, and unique cultural diversity. Let's explore the captivating details of this extraordinary place. Geo Location. Alaska is located in the extreme northwest corner of North America, separated from the contiguous United States by Canada. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north and the Pacific Ocean to the south. Capital. The capital city of Alaska is Juneau, situated in the southeastern part of the state. Juneau is known for its picturesque surroundings, including mountains, glaciers, and pristine waterways. Population. Despite its vast size, Alaska has a relatively small population. As of 2021, the estimated population is around 730,000 people. The state's population is diverse, consisting of various ethnic groups, including Alaska Natives, Caucasians, Asians, and more. Economy. Alaska's economy is driven by various sectors, including oil and gas production, fishing, mining, tourism, and the military. The state is rich in natural resources and is known for its oil reserves, which have significantly contributed to its economic development. Education. Alaska has a robust education system, providing quality education to its residents. The University of Alaska, with its main campuses in Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau, offers a wide range of academic programs and research opportunities. Brief history. Alaska has a fascinating history that spans thousands of years. The region has been inhabited by indigenous peoples for millennia, with diverse cultures and languages. In 1867, Alaska was purchased from Russia by the United States in what became known as the Alaska Purchase. The Klondike Gold Rush in the late 19th century brought an influx of people seeking fortune and contributed to the development of the region. Cultures and politics. Alaska is home to a rich tapestry of cultures, including Alaska Native cultures, Russian influences, and various immigrant communities. Indigenous cultures play a vital role in the state's identity, with traditions, art, and storytelling passed down through generations. The state's politics revolve around the unique challenges and opportunities presented by its remote location, vast natural resources, and environmental conservation. Now, let's dive into the top 12 attractions that make Alaska a nature lover's paradise. 1. Denali National Park. Home to the iconic Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, this park offers breathtaking landscapes, abundant wildlife, and scenic hiking trails. 2. Glacier Bay National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its stunning glaciers, fjords, and diverse marine life. 3. Kenai Fjords National Park. Explore the rugged coastline, witness calving glaciers, and spot marine wildlife, including whales and sea lions. 4. Inside Passage. A scenic coastal route dotted with picturesque islands, fjords, and charming towns, perfect for cruises and wildlife viewing. 5. Mendenhall Glacier. Located near Juneau, this glacier offers awe-inspiring views and the chance to witness ice caves and blue ice formations. 6. Tracy Arm Fjord. A narrow fjord showcasing towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and abundant wildlife, including seals and eagles. 7. Kodiak Island. Known for its stunning wilderness, Kodiak Island offers opportunities for fishing, hiking, and wildlife photography, including the iconic Kodiak brown bears. 8. Chugach State Park. Situated near Anchorage, this expansive park boasts stunning mountains, glaciers, and diverse wildlife. 9. Talkeetna. A charming small town known as the Gateway to Denali, offering breathtaking views, outdoor activities, and a vibrant art scene. 10. Sitka. A historic town with Russian influences, featuring attractions such as the Russian Bishop's House and Sitka National Historical Park. 11. Fairbanks. Experience the magic of the Northern Lights, explore the Gold Rush history, and visit the University of Alaska Fairbanks. 12. Iditarod Trail. Follow the famous sled dog race route, witnessing the rugged beauty of the Alaskan wilderness along the way. In summary, Alaska's vast wilderness, rich history, and diverse cultures make it a truly captivating destination. Whether you're exploring its majestic national parks, immersing yourself in indigenous traditions, or marveling at its abundant wildlife, Alaska offers an unforgettable adventure. And now, as requested, here is a poem about Alaska. In the land of the midnight sun, where wilderness reigns. Alaska's beauty, a tapestry that nature maintains. From towering peaks to icy fjords so grand. A symphony of wonders crafted by nature's hand. Denali's crown pierces the endless sky. Glaciers carve their path, as time passes by. Whales dance in coastal waters, their songs so pure. Majestic bears roam, guardians of the land secure. The aurora paints the heavens with vibrant hues. Mendenhall's blue ice glistens, a sight to enthuse. Kodiak's wilderness, where nature's wild heart beats. And Iditarod's sled dogs race, swift and fleet. Tahkeetna's charm welcomes with open arms. Fairbanks and Sitka, each with their unique charms. Chugach's mountains, a backdrop to behold. Alaska's treasures, more valuable than gold. So venture forth, embrace the wild and free. Alaska's embrace, a sanctuary it shall be. Discover the wonders that nature bestows. In Alaska's splendor, let your spirit compose. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.